Hi guys! This time I will show you how to make a very cute omurice. There are many ways to make omurice, but the one I will show you this time is an easy one even for beginners. Then, いってらっしゃい! Chop finely. When chopping ingredients, use a knife that is as sharp as possible. Cutting with an unshaped knife destroys the cells of the food, causing moisture and umami to be lost from the food. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Chicken skin should be removed as it will spoil the texture of the chicken rice. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Adding bacon makes the chicken rice richer. Avoid whipping the eggs when mixing. If you whisk the eggs, air will be mixed in with the eggs, and the air content during baking will expand and not produce a beautiful result. Strain through a fine mesh colander. Straining removes clumps of whitened collages, resulting in a beautiful finish and a smooth texture. Make whiskers with sliced cheese and nori. It is easy to make with these tools. Put 50 grams of butter in a pan and heat it over medium heat. First, use half of 300 grams of rice to make the face and hands. When the butter melts, stir fry 150 grams of rice. When the butter and rice are well mixed, make a gap in the pan like this. Add salt and pepper, and add 2 tablespoons of ketchup to the pan. Ketchup is heated and boiled down to mellow its acidity. When the mixture is evenly mixed, the face, ears, and hands are complete. Make the face, ears, and hands parts by wrapping them in plastic wrap. Put 50 grams of butter in a pan and heat it over medium heat. Next, make the body part. Sauté onion, chicken, and bacon. When chicken is cooked, add rice and stir fry. Salt and pepper. Make a gap in the pan and add 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Boil down the ketchup and mix it with the rice. When it's evenly mixed, it's done. Use plastic wrap when serving to shape. Heat a small pan over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon oil. Do not overheat the pan. The temperature of the pan should be such that the eggs harden quickly. Add eggs and mix quickly. Take the pan to mix, focusing on the eggs that have hardened on the edge of the pan. Eggs with yolk and white mixed will begin to harden at 70 degrees or 158 Fahrenheit, and the best temperature for them to be a melting texture is around 73 degrees or 163.4 Fahrenheit. Change to a rubber spatula and shape the eggs. Cover with egg comforter and attach parts made of cheese and nori. Itadakimasu! Kawaii! I can't wait to eat. I love how tender the eggs are. And the chicken rice is so delicious. Omurice is awesome. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.